How to create a QR code in Canva? Well, welcome everyone to my channel. For this tutorial, we were going to do it simply. Convert a link into a QR code easily and simply in Canva. For this case, I have this example. From this menu, but you can use this or any kind of link, whether it's a Facebook group, WhatsApp, or even surveys. Now, the first thing we need is a link, and for that link, we're going to start with the following. We are going to go up here where it says share and then click on Public Link. Click on it and then where it says generate, where it says create a pull link, click on it. And what Canva will do is generate a link for us so that you can see this menu very easily. Simply copy it and open in another tab to see if it's working. As you can see, the link opens easily and without any problems. Okay, we already have the link. Now what we need is to convert that link into a QR code. For this case, we're simply going to click here where it says apps, type QR, and once we press enter, a lot of options will appear. I simply choose this one that says QR code since it's very simple. Click open and then it simply asks for the URL or the link. Click on the link and then generate the code. Here we have our fully functional QR, and that's how simple it is. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.